I love a good DIY face mask, especially one that only requires a couple of ingredients and is safe and effective. I've been searching the internet for a face mask that will help brighten my skin overall because I'm noticing a lot of dark spots from my pregnancy and from my previous pregnancy, and this one sounded perfect. So in this video, I'm going to share a papaya and honey face mask recipe, explain some of the benefits of it, and I'm going to show you how to make it and apply it. So if you'd like to see how I do this, just keep watching. Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rochelle and this is Discocurlstv. If you're new here, welcome. My channel provides tips on how to care for your fine curly hair normally, but today we're going to talk a little bit about skincare. I post weekly on Sundays and would love to have you join my community because I do curly hair tutorials, product reviews, DIYs, pregnancy and postpartum hair chat, and much more. So this is going to be super easy because this only requires 2 ingredients, papaya and honey, and that's it. The reason that papaya is so beneficial in skincare is because of the enzymes, and the enzyme papain, I think that's how you say it, it contains a natural bleaching and exfoliating agent. The honey is a natural humectant and antiseptic that will hydrate, moisturize, and soothe the skin. The benefits of this mask is that it's easy to make, it uses all natural ingredients, and you don't have any added preservatives. It smells really good. You can eat it, and of course it's safe unless you have an allergy to papaya or honey. To make this, you're only going to need about 3 or 4 cubes of ripe papaya and half a teaspoon of honey. I like to try to use organic honey and papaya if you can find it. Then you're also going to add the papaya to a bowl along with the honey and mash and mix it really well. And that's it. It's really that simple. Now I like to apply this to my skin after it's been cleansed and it's dry. You can just use your fingers to apply it, or if you want, you can use a face mask brush if you don't like to get your hands dirty. After you've applied your mask, just wait about 10 minutes until it dries up a bit and then rinse it off well. Lastly, I pat it dry and then follow up with my moisturizing routine. My skin always feels soft after, and it also feels really firm, and I love the added benefits of brightening my skin. If you've made too much of the mask, you can safely store this in the refrigerator for about 2 days, but remember, it is perishable and it should be tossed at some point. You can also apply it to other parts of your body that you want to brighten, like your elbows, your knees, or your underarms. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now I'd love to hear from all of you about your favorite DIY pregnancy-safe facial mask down below in the comments. If you're new to my fine curly skincare pregnancy postpartum crew, I'd love to have you subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're properly notified of when I post new content. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.